Yeah, too many words to, to explain one word. That's it. So, my journey to confidence, I shouldn't say it was a very complicated one, but I had to know what I had to do in order to let my confidence slip away in a blink. So, what you number one, focus on yourself. Try to do everything in life considering yourself first. Don't please people. Do things or stuff that pleases you as an individual. Then go on to please other people. Don't do something because you want to make someone happy. Don't. I learned that from a very young age, I would say. And then try to live as someone else. Do you get what I mean? For example, don't let situations pull you down. If you think about yourself as someone who's so low, someone who doesn't have self-esteem, believe you me, you're going to be that kind of person. But if you instigate the idea in yourself that you're better, you're good, you've got very, high esteem in yourself, just the mere thought of thinking that you've got it all, you will always strive to be that person. So confidence is about being or living like someone else, the happy person, the not stressed out person, that not the distressed person, or those are the things that make you confident. That's how you feel. And also the posture is very important. I'm sorry, I'm sitting on a very, it's a high stool, but try to see that you sit really upright, like that, shoulders that height, try to be, I'm a mother of 3, but if I can do it, that means you can do it too. And then try to take care of yourself, the hygiene, posture. You don't have to walk like that. Walk like this. Be nice to people. Being nice to people is just mastering these 3 simple words in life. I'm sorry. Thank you. And please. Those are the words that are going to make you really look good. And you'll get help, or people reward you in a certain way, the way they talk to you, the way they see you. It's because of the way you talk to them, the way you react to situations. When someone does something good, those are very small words. You just have to say thank you. And when you do bad to someone or a mistake, be the first to say, I'm sorry, apologize. Then when someone does something good or something sweet, just say thank you. Or if you would like a favor, use please. Don't come at someone. Hello, do that, do this. No. Use please. Be polite. It doesn't cost thousands or millions, but those are very small words that really make very big impacts. They can make very big impacts a very big impact in your life. So try to use please, I'm sorry, and thank you. 3 words. Take care of your hygiene. if you've got a foul smell, you know, the bad breath from, you know, down from the chest, yeah, and it's like halitosis, it comes out through the mouth. Get a solution for that. Yeah? If you've got a nose, a foul smell from the nose, get the sinuses treated. If you've got, the mouth halitosis or the bad mouth smell, check out the tonsillites, you know. It's always something, or an infection or a chest infection that, you know, brings about these things. So try to take care of yourself. Be polite, be thankful, say sorry when it's needed, and, you know, do everything putting yourself as number one. Then other people will follow. You know, believe in yourself. That is another point. Try to believe in yourself. If you have that impression of, oh, I can't do that, you know, that is so hard, that is so hard, my God, it's not taking you anywhere. Try to believe in yourself. Be positive. Set goals. Think about yourself as someone who can really change the world. You can change it. You just have to be part of it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. I always, you know, share a few tips here and there. So let me know. Are you a confident person or a shy person? You can also leave a message, a personal message. I'll give a reply. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.